What's up? How's it going? Can we hear? What's up, GE? What's up, Love One? Love One? Nah, the market's not over. Not by any means. Don't buy into the FUD that there's no bull run and it's all over with. We're just starting. Just the beginning. It is nice to see we got some green today. It's not just a sea of red. What are we looking at? Time to get a little relief bounce. Wow, Arc Block's still holding up real good here. Just kind of waiting for more people to come in here. How you guys doing? Not sure if anyone's going to show up today. We're still kind of bearish as can be at the moment. We'll see what happens though. Only 6 people here. What's up, Fireman? Crypto Chevy, how's it going? What's up, Shinobi? Nah, Mimo. Did I say that right? Mimo, jazz me to the moon. Yeah, we're not over at all. Look at ABT here. ABT's still in the setup. Hasn't moved yet. I really do think ABT's about to spike up. Still holding structure, still looking good. I need to find something to buy if I ever get any money. Yeah, AI Tech's holding up good. Holding the 618 low to the high. Tagged, or came down a little bit. Didn't quite tag the uptrend. It still could come down, but still a very good buying opportunity here for Solidus. Jasmine, what is Jasmine doing? Jasmine's still bearish. Nah, she's still trying to hold up. Trying to hold in somewhat of a triangle pattern. Down below the 382, so no longer bullish right now, but doesn't look too bad considering what's happening in the market. Is there anything that's just completely dying? What's up, Cha? Bone? We haven't looked at Bone in forever. Bone's going to be a good play too. Once Shiba runs, Bone's going to run. Yeah, you're down below the 236. Got a 3-day close below it. So as long as you're below 4.7, it looks like on Bone, we'll see what we can catch here. If I can get anything to move. Momentum is clearly down. Yeah, we just hit just below the 618 at 4.3, so I mean, there's really nothing to say. 4.3 is your price to hold, 4.7 is your price to beat at the moment. If you can get back over the 236, then maybe this is the bottom. Maybe we're gonna Maybe we're gonna bounce from here. What is? Hold on. Yeah, I don't even have a good bone chart. I don't even know where this thing's gonna end up. Bonk came back down. SEI. Yeah, SEI is another one. It looks just like Solidus. It looks like, well, Myro, but I don't know what happened to Myro. Came back down, hit the trend, hit the 382 to stay bullish over this, and we're just kind of holding here. It's like that guy said last night, time to buy the dip. If you got some money on the side, you're probably going to make out really well this cycle. What's up, relaxing music? Uh, 17 votes. Yeah, all I know is we need to bounce already. Channel's taking a hit. No one's coming to the streams. No one's watching the videos. We were doing real good. Now we're just kind of dead in the water here. I don't know. SEI looks good for a bottom being put in here. VAR's trying to hold the 618. Myro. Did Myro stay alive? Dang, she made a new low. Are you kidding me? Wow, I can't believe Myro broke down all the way back down to the low here. So we're going to have to pull that down now. Oh yeah, Polyswarm had a nice run, but ultimately, Giant Wick. There's just nothing. Not many that are holding up. I know that's holding up. What was the other one we were looking at? Ethereum's still holding up here. SEI to $4. I don't remember what our SEI target was. What was it? What do you guys think? You think these things are going to break down? SEI, AI Tech, like Myro just did, and just come all the way back down? Or do you think that's only special to Myro? You said Myro to $4. I mean, SEI? Yeah, I think so. 14 billion market cap to 340 almost. 7.5x on this thing. Let's see here. Let me pull up. I don't know. I don't know what I should do. Should I go gamble $100 on Solana? A Solana gamble play. Not today, of course. I'm not paid yet, but I need to find something that's potentially going to bounce. I'm just going real quick to go check. I don't remember what the SEI token situation is, market cap. I should have already had this pulled up and open. Hyperliquid's up 23%. Man, is all the money flowing into NFTs right now? NFTs are making a comeback. Everyone's buying NFTs right now, I guess. 1.8 billion market cap on SEI. Okay. Oh yeah, I definitely think it's going to hit $3. Because if it comes up to the 1618, 14 billion and wick above it, yeah. Trying to get back over to the chat. Chat. Let's see. But it's like last night, there's just nothing to talk about until we stabilize, which we may be doing right now. But yeah, GESCI is definitely going to hit $4. Laurel bought Jasmine Velo ICP dip. Nice. Got Eldor. Welcome back, Eldor. For 5 says near protocol. Appreciate the 5. Yeah, PNG is holding up real good. PNG and ABT. He said near protocol. Near's trying to hold up here. It's an older one, so maybe we'll go to the monthly chart too. Yeah, it's holding over low high 618. Didn't quite hit it, but nothing's perfect. And you're back over the 0.5. Once you get over 566, over 504, then you're back to being bullish here. But depending on how you look at the chart, just zoom it out or whatever, you can clearly see broke the downtrend and then came back and back tested and bounced. So as long as you're over the 618 at 448, you're in a good spot here. And like I keep saying, maybe the bottom, the dip is over. And you can clearly see if I take that off and take this off, you can clearly see that same formation here. The bottom bullish formation. So we're about to get a move up on near. Unless the whole market doesn't just break down again and we break structure. But a lot of things are still holding up. Like, they're holding up very well in my opinion. Like, especially when you look at things like Arc Block and SEI, whatever else is out there holding up good. But overall, you're down below the 618, so as long as you're over that price, 638 is the big price to get back over. And then, of course, where's this thing going? 57 billion market cap on near, $47. $47. Maybe it hits 50. It'll probably hit 50. Let me see. I don't remember the last time I looked at near on the other website. Near. Oh yeah, they're at over a 6 billion market cap at the moment. 6 billion market cap. All the coins are out. It's 2022. Near's been out for longer than that. I may have to build a new near chart. But yeah, I would say that's possible. Especially you're one of the coins that's all the way up here and you just form the bottom formation and you're already up. So that tells me the next leg up is coming. PNG. Yeah, let me zoom this in. Yeah, PNG still holding up like a trooper here. Still holding over the 236. That looks good. That initial formation, the pump got stuck and it's holding. So as long as you're over 3.6, the price to beat is the 1618 here. That 4.8 down to what was it? 4.4 to 4.8. This red box. Once you break this red box, it's too late to get in. But PNG Penguin's holding up real good. And once you break the red box, you got a nice, decent, almost a 200% move here. 188% to about 117, 118. Oh, we got to move this down. We're sitting right on that support again. But like we said last night and every time, it's been holding here for a month. She's about to 3x with a nice spike up. Because she came down twice already to back test and to hit the 382 and the 1414. And it's holding up very strong. Yeah, so this one looks good, really good. PNG. We got Jat B, welcome back. For 4, he says, oh no, almost banned him. Dang it. Jasmine, XTZ, and BCH update. What's up, Kubos? Tilk. Alright, we gotta do Jasmine again, XTZ, and BCH. Yeah, I agree. Correction's almost over, huh? Jasmine, he says. I think Jasmine's no longer bullish because it broke below the 382, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I mean, depending on the time frame, you can see it's trying to hold what we drew here, this triangle pattern. Potentially it's holding up right now on that candle. Let's move that over. You're below the low to the high 382. Let me pull this so we can see it, of course. So you're below 3.6 and you're holding over the 0.5 at 3.0 and potentially holding this pattern here. If it's going to be a pattern, but price to hold is 3, price to beat is 3.6 to be bullish again. And then of course 4.4 up to 5. Once we get over 5 where we got stuck at, we're in good shape. Momentum is clearly down. You can see that with the candles, with the stock RSI. So if it continues to come down, if you break below 3, that's another 10.5% drop. Then it wouldn't be out of the ordinary for a 618 retracement here, and you would drop another 23% down to 26 here, as long as the momentum has shifted down. But yeah, once you break 5 from where you are now, if it holds up, this thing's going to move up 268% to 12 pennies. That's what we were looking at back here. Downtrend was broken, and you came right up to 382 perfectly on these weekly candles, or 3-day candles. Weekly did the same thing, as you can see. But it came up right to the 382, wicked above, got stuck, and that's all she wrote. And I still believe Jasmine's going to $1. Let's see here. Jasmine 618 retracement to 30 is a 8.5, almost a 9x. And now you can get you a 31x to a 50 billion market cap up to about $1, $1.10. It'll probably wick above that if it hits $1. What'd you say? XTZ? Oh yeah, Tezos. Yeah, Tesla's is still holding over the 236 after it lost the 382 support. Keep it simple. On the macro here, the price to hold, which it is 106 if we go smaller. And then bullish once you get back over about 160. And real simple, low to the high. If we can see this here, it gets a little crowded sometimes. We'll pull it over. Yeah, you're sitting right above the 382, so you're still low high bullish over 118 after you pretty much tagged a 236 here. So if you can hold that, 142 and then 160 is the price to beat. But as I keep saying on this one also, the momentum, we came down pretty fast, so we should recover just as fast. So if we lose 118, 106 is next. 14.5% drop. BCH. Bitcoin Cash, where we at? Yeah, everything's looking the same. Instead of a red candle, now we have a large green candle, or a green candle with a large wick. BCH low to the high. We're holding over the 0.5. Like I said, a lot of things are doing the exact same thing here. So 418 is the price to hold, and then if you can get back over 460, 461, then you're back to being bullish here. $463. Let me see Bitcoin Cash on the monthly. Yeah, these monthly candles are stuck right at the 618 at 537. So that's your price to beat to confirm that you're going to move up. You need to get some monthly candles over that. You can see we get weekly candles, but the monthly are getting stuck. And we just made a lower high. Where's BCH going? 10,000? Is that the target we have? 188 billion market cap for a 23x. Is that possible? Yeah, let me get this pulled up real quick. But how's everyone doing today in this market that we're in? You guys buying the dip or losing money? BCH, everyone hit the like button. It's going to help out because we're dead right now. The channel's just kind of stagnant at the moment. No one's in the live streams. I keep saying this. So hitting the like button will help out. Bitcoin Cash is almost at a 9 billion market cap. Okay. So I don't know, where's Bitcoin Cash going? What's the price you guys have? Old coin, 1272 new high, 3600 maybe for an 8.5x. This thing's been going up forever. Good looking chart besides the lower high here. What's up, John? Every pump we always come all the way back down to support. I think alts will bleed a little more. What's up, Vlad? We got Eldor for 5 again. I appreciate that. He says, can render hit 100? Let's see here. I think we have $50 on render. That may be the conservative target. I appreciate the 5. Yeah, renders ones that has a overall bullish chart here. But same formation, same everything. It looks like render, the target on render is $75. For, oh, my voice. 10.5x to 38.6 billion market cap to 75. Render is going to be a good one. Yeah, almost at a 4 billion market cap already. So yeah, definitely going to hit $37, $40. Yeah, you could very well wick up above this, which we see all the time, and hit 100 and do a 15x. Yeah, I would say especially where it's at here. I mean, we haven't even really kicked off the cycle, you know, the very bullish euphoric part of the cycle. So you think this thing's just going to do this for the bull market and that's it? You go back down into the bear market? I guess it could, but I think it's going to go higher than that. Orchid, he says. GST and Degen is the way. Yeah, we looked at SEI, Orchid, Degen. SEI is down at the bottom. Let's get this to where we can see it, but it just hit the trend. It just hit the 382. Got a nice little candle, bottom candle forming. Could do exactly what it did here when it hit the trend. Momentum was down and it just went right back up, and then we had a nice bounce once again. So we're at that point again, even lower. So we're either about to get a bounce or we're about to die and then go up next year, because it's on the bottom. So is Solidus, AI Tech. Everything's coming back down to the trend, back down to support. Well, we do have the front runner. I know you guys keep looking at Myro, but if Myro's the front runner for what's happening, Myro broke the trend, broke the support, and went all the way back to the bottom, or made a new low actually. So that could have been it for Myro. Myro hit this volume area. And I didn't realize this looks like the Elon chart kind of. Yeah, Myro gets back over that 236, then the bottom was put in again, a little lower low. Orchid, I don't know if we've ever looked at Orchid. GST smacked into the trend and it's fallen down. Oh, come on. Yeah, you just hit the 618 low to the high, so 159. And then 18 is your price to hold, but ultimately I believe we did it this way. But GST is still down here. Even though it had that initial move, oh, you're below the 236. You need to get back over 189 and then break the trend over 382 at 28, and then you'll be bullish and you'll be back over the trend, and that's where you'll be in a good spot on GST. But it seems like we're just looking at the same stuff over and over and over and over. But yeah, GST's got some real good spots. Just for this thing to come back to the 382s is almost a 7x. Put my money on GST. Orchid and DGen's holding up too. DGen and Orchid. We'll probably look at DGen 1,000 times today, depending on how long we stream. Yeah, DGen's holding over that penny. Got a nice little wick forming here. Could be the same thing. Same thing as, what was it? SEI and all those that we just looked at. Everything kind of broke down, but everything's still holding structure. We're still holding the higher low, uptrend, whatever you want to call it, structure here. I wish DGen would go up. Orchid. OXT. How do we not have an Orchid chart? What are we on? I need to fix my charts here. Well, it looks like you're the first person to ever ask for Orchid. Oh, maybe not. There it is. Alright, never mind. We found it. Oh, we haven't looked at it in ages. Oh, Orchid's got the overall macro bullish chart. This thing's about to go to the moon. Pile in while you can. On the macro monthly candles here, this thing looks really good. Double bottom with a higher low. Alright, give me a second. Let's see. OXT. Alright, you're holding over the 236 on the macro at 9.8, and you need to get over 15 to be bullish here. But this is the exact same thing we've been looking at on everything. It came down final support, put in that bullish formation for the bottom. Yep. If I can get this to stick. 786 support. Went sideways. That's what we need to go find. We need to go find something that's in this pattern still that has not ran this little run. Kind of like what ABT's sitting in right now. But nothing really to worry about. I mean, it's just a little slight correction in the market. We'll have larger moves up and then little corrections. Everyone will scream bearish again, and then we'll go back up again. Just the way it works every time. Every time we have a correction, some influencer is going to be saying the market's over. All right, Orchid here. Let me see real quick on Orchid. We're spending too much time on it. Orchid is an older coin, so 5 to 10x possibly. So a 786 retracement in the bull market, 5x up to 53. Question is that possible? What is that, 53 cents? From a 61 million market cap, that would give you a 300 million market cap. So yeah, I would say that's possible. Is it gonna go higher than that? No idea. 9x, just under $1 maybe. No one's asked for this one in ages, so. Bear conservative price for P&G. The most conservative price. Man, we only have 11 people in here. Where's the other 9,500 people? Don't even worry about GST. It's manipulated anyway, but I like it. Yeah, I only like GST. Everything I like is for the charts. The charts and the possible multipliers. And you always got to factor in, at least what it is. What were we looking at? P&G conservative price, he says. Yeah, I saw someone on Twitter this morning saying that Dog with Hat was flying to the moon. And it's doing nothing. I guess the conservative price for Pangolin is $1 billion market cap. I think it's definitely going to get hit. P&G does really well. They're active. They have a community. Of course, more people need to talk about them, but I would say $1 billion market cap to pretty much $5 for 13.5x would be conservative. What are we sitting at with Bitcoin? Still at 97. Excuse me. I forgot about BBG. Oh, that's not saying it. What happened to what was that coin called? BSV? Is that a coin? Yeah, whatever happened to this coin? BSV. What is this? Bitcoin SV? I forgot about this one. No idea what it is, but I just remembered about it. Already 42 minutes in, 18 people here. How's everyone doing? Make sure you answer the poll, hit the like button. Refresh. Oh, is there anything to talk about? I mean, there's nothing. But yeah, we did this. I don't know if you guys were here last night, but we looked at the Bitcoin dominance right before we ended the stream, pretty much. You look at the Bitcoin dominance on the monthly. It's still holding. We're not going anywhere yet. if I can get that to move. I guess it's for the best. No alt season till spring. I need time to get in anyway. Alright, let me see if I can fix this now. Got it refreshed. Yeah, maybe a short stream. Maybe I'll stream again tonight. We'll see. But, I mean, there's just nothing to talk about. Nothing to talk about until we bounce, which I think could be coming up soon. Yeah, let's just... We did the same thing last night here. What is this? 0-0? Yeah, I don't even know what this token does, but it's still down here. Yeah, Arc Block's holding up like a champ. ACH died. Yeah, IOS too. AOS Network's holding up like PNG, holding over the 236 after the pump. AOS is holding strong too. As long as you're over 95 here, you're good. Yeah, AI Tech looks like it wants to go up soon. Oh, AIT. Uh-oh, Myro and AIT are in the losers club. Wow, AIT broke down. And we cover AIT pretty much. Yeah, you hit the final 786 support, 6.6, so hopefully that's it. Buy the bottom on AIT. Prime bouncing back a bit. Coin Academy says, well, prediction please. I don't know, that's the second one we've seen now. Myro and AIT. I don't know what the hell Acro is. Acro died. Wow. Oh, Aleph died too. Wow, some of these coins are getting hit hard. What did you say? Prime and Well. What's up, Matt? No, we didn't do ABT yet. Prime and Well. Yeah, there's a few select coins that are holding up very good, and then there's a lot that's just dying. We're back in green here. Everything's starting to get a little bounce. Oh yeah, Prime is holding up. Came down perfectly to the 382. Why is that moved? I don't know why these things are always moved when we come on. Yeah, Prime looks good here. As long as you're over 929, 1150 is the price to beat. And you can clearly see just this formation and the curl up, the higher highs and the higher lows here is just bullish. One last little dip and then it's time to make the next leg up. Pendle's getting bought back up. Oh, Pendle may hold. pendulum looks just like the dominance chart in this little channel. It's going almost straight up. Pendle. Pepe's holding up. Peanut died. Yeah, all these meme coins are dying, huh? Pepe 2. Oh man, Pepe 2. Okay, yeah, you said Prime, well, AVT. Oh yeah, Well's getting a nice little bounce. I don't know why we're on the daily. Yeah, Well held the 618. Oh, she came down once again. Man. Yeah, the fact that Well came back down to the 618 almost doesn't look too bad here. And potentially bullish, yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, Well's holding up pretty good. I thought by now Well would break down and lose the 618, especially the way the market is. Low to the high, you're still over the 236, over the 618, so 5.6 up to 6.3, 6.4. You're good. If it holds up here, this thing may get squeezed up, especially if we're about to have a recovery. So yeah, I would just watch those prices. Not looking too bad in this little pattern. And then Well, 1272, $1.30, 4 billion market cap is an 18.5x, almost a 19x, maybe a 20x. I gotta pull that down a little. Yeah, almost a 20x. And then Well to about 260, about a 39x. But yeah, she's holding up good here. AVT, DGB. What's up, Muffin Man? Welcome back. What is AVT doing? Ventus. Nah, she's coming down, but she's still at the moment holding. And by holding, I mean structure here. As long as it doesn't come down to the 618 at $2 and take $2 out, you're still curled up here. But you're down below, so that does put in play that $2 618. So just we'll see. Let's see if this matches up any. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 0.5 here at about 249. So any lower than that, 217. %15 drop. But if it gets back over the 786, you're in good shape at 270. Come on. What does this one look like on the monthly? Well, come on. Doesn't look too bad on the monthly. Just a curled up chart. Looks like it's ready to go for a bull market run. AVT from where you are now. What is our target on AVT? I don't remember. 30x to 77, 717 million market cap. If I remember correctly, ABT has all the coins out, don't they? It's hard to keep up with all these coins we look at. 23 million and almost 23 million. So I would say a conservative target for ABT, $25, 235 million. Get you almost a 10x from today, and that'll change if it goes lower. Oh, we have two Digibyte charts. Come on, let's see. Digibyte is sitting right on the support at 1-1. So 1 penny is your price to hold. It wicked down below it. It just double topped and it's coming down. But yeah, you're sitting on support right now. Bullish over 1.9, 2 pennies. Breakout is over 4.5 pennies. That'll confirm this move down is over. Digibyte's an old dinosaur coin, so probably a 786 retracement would be a good target to watch. 8.5, 1.4 billion market cap for a 7x. That's definitely where I would get out. Almost a 4x to the 618 at 4.5. It all depends on if people are going to buy this. I think we said this last time. Maybe it makes a higher high from this chart, hits 20 cents, and then maybe you get a 16x if you're lucky, 17x. I just don't know how these old coins are going to perform, especially with so many new things and all these AI coins coming out. Did you say GRT? Make sure we're still live. Yeah, we only got 11 people in here. We're probably gonna make this an hour stream, and then I'll think about streaming tonight because there's just nothing happening. Maybe during the day things will pick up, and then we can really do something later. GRT. Where's GRT? Yeah, GRT's holding up nice. Yeah, GRT, I like GRT, but I gotta always remember that this is another old coin. I mean, the old coins may perform well. I mean, we've seen what XRP and all these coins are doing. Wouldn't that be something if the old coins perform and they go to the moon, they make new highs, and all these new coins do nothing because all the young people are piling into the meme coins? But yeah, you're below the 382 on this one at 24. It looks to be you're coming back down to the trend here. So if you come back down to 13, that could very well be the bottom on GRT. We're looking on the weekly. The momentum is clearly shifted down. And 3-day, same thing on everything. The 3 days back at the bottom. So what we can simply do, let's just zoom in here so we can see real quick on GRT before we spend way too much time on it. Low to the high off of the formation, you're above the 0.5. We're seeing this on everything, 19. But if you take out that, then you can clearly see 786 all the way down here. So 13 to 14 could be in play now that you're below the macro 3.2. So just keep that in mind. And there's that 34% drop coming before we go back up. Does not have to play out that way. So 1.9 is your price to hold, and then maybe 1.7. But if you can get back over 2.2 up to 2.4, you're in good shape. You're back to being short term and long term bullish here. Yeah, we haven't done GRT market caps in a while because we still have it all spelled out here. GRT to $1.20, 5.5x, but just the overall chart here, the way it's just curled up, doesn't look too bad. Lower high, but I don't know what the target is. 5.5x on GRT. What's up, Cha? Most of your coins in your watch list are green now. Yeah, I think we. I don't know. I don't want to say it because I don't know. Why wouldn't they make new highs? Because that's just what the older coins tend to do. What, like, what's some of the old coins like XRP? I'm not saying they're not gonna. It's just, yeah, we got too much stuff on the XRP chart. But this is what XRP did. I know XRP had all the lawsuits and stuff, so maybe that's why. But I think there's other examples. 2017 high, and then high to the low. Just what we're doing now. We're going from the 2021 highs to the lows on most charts. You can see high to the low. Came up and hit the 786, and that was it. That was all for the 2021 bull market. 786 retracement, and she died. Now, it's breaking above that now. So, like I said, it could be different, which it's probably going to be different now. Trying to think of the other charts that have the same setup. But I guess you can really just say they didn't perform well in 2021. Some did, some didn't. Alright, Litecoin apparently made a higher high. If this is the right chart, what did Litecoin hit? There may be a better Litecoin chart here. Let me see if there's a Gate.io Litecoin chart. Come on. I know you're here somewhere. Oh, they got a Bitstamp chart. Maybe it's the Bitstamp. No, same thing. Yeah, you just zoom out on these coins. Let me take that off. Let me take BSV off. What's that? Alright, but what we saw XRP just do, looks like a Litecoin may do the same thing. If you just zoom out, you just have this one big triangle pattern, and this is where we were watching XRP forever, and then we were looking at the level, and then XRP, we know, just shot up. Litecoin's looking good here. You're holding a double 382 support. Made that higher high recently. I don't know. We're just gonna have to wait and look back on the market after it's all done with. Your portfolio. What's up, Alex? This morning was down 40% in 2 weeks. Yeah, not a fun time. Yeah, we just did AVT. He says well prediction, please. We just went over well. You guys must ask for stuff and then leave the stream. But Wells holding over the 236 at 63, over the 618. It came down one last time again to tag it. And you can see off of that, we could be forming a very bullish pattern here. So it may be more bullish than we realize. As long as you hold over the 236 and that 618 that you didn't quite tag, that'll shoot us through 12.5. But then prediction for well, you guys got to realize we're not even in 2025 yet. So a lot of these newer coins, no idea about their coin releases. So market caps are going to change, of course, but let's see. 214 million market cap on well. So yeah, Well's definitely, not definitely, but Well could probably hit the 1272 at $1.30. Well, 18.5x from today on Well. A little more bullish target would be about 260, 7.7 billion market cap for a 36x. And then I guess your moonshot is a 20 billion market cap, almost 690. Yeah, because that's 100, almost 100x. A 97.5x if it can hit $7. 100x if it hits 7. From 6 cents. I would say conservative target would be 130 or $1. AVT. What's up, CD? He says Merry Christmas. What's up, Joel? Let me do AVT really quick. Alien base, a bit of a dump, but we're climbing back into the game. Hope life is treating you well, brother. I wish you the best over the holidays. I appreciate that, my man. I wish you the best, too. I'm doing my best here. But I appreciate the words. ALB and AVT. Let's see here. ALB. Yeah, I saw Alien Base came down pretty good. The big question is, I have no idea if these things are going to hold up or go lower. Right now, they're looking like they're holding up. They got these wicks forming. You hit the 1272, bounced. You're back over the 1414. It's starting to climb back up, like you said. So as long as you're over 23, it looks like 30 is the price to hold. 30 cents, that is. And if you want to go to a smaller time frame and see where this thing's potentially gonna short term be bullish, yeah, you're just over the 236, so it's confirming the bottom is in over 25, and then once you get over 29.5, this 1618, and then you're bullish again. Short term, that is, but it doesn't look bad at the moment. Hopefully we're on the bottom. I mean, we kind of have to be, because we just saw Myro, AIT. Myro just made a new all-time, or not an all-time low, but it made a new low. Broke the trend and everything. So if it's not the bottom, Myro's gonna die. Alien base to the top, 1.2 billion market cap is a 41x to $10. AVT. Yeah, as of right now, I think we just said this earlier. You did get a 3-day daily close below the 786, so that could put in play 2. But if it comes back down to 2, that's your pretty much must hold price, because any lower than 2, then you're going to run the risk of breaking the structure here. So as long as you're below 272 on AVT, that does put in play right now a 22% drop to 2. We take it a step further and we go from the low to the high here. You can see we're sitting right about the 0.5, so 247 could be the price to hold. If not, 215 down to 2. And then, but what you really want to see, watch those prices there. But as long as we hold the structure here, as long as we don't pull a Miro and break the structure and then hit a new low. But yeah, if you can get back over 786 at 272, there you're back in good shape. And then if we do it this high to the low, you just tag perfectly the 236. So 229. So it clearly hit several different Fibonacci support levels, and it's still holding structure. So we'll see if AVT can hold up here. And then AVT, 235 million market cap from where it is now, 25 bucks would give you a 9.5, close to a 10x. But yeah, if I had money on the side, there's a lot of choices right now to try to buy into. And Alien Base is one of them. I think Alien Base is going to be huge. And this last dip here, that could very well have been it. Can Alien Base actually hit $1 billion market cap? I didn't even look. What is it at? Come on, you can do it, computer. Alien Base. Almost a 30 million market cap. Yeah, we'll be bullish on it. Why not? Alien Base to $1 billion. ALB's got a 40x. What's up, Matthew? He says base turbo looking incredible. This is what you've been looking for. We got Joel for 10. I appreciate that. Oh dang, I almost banned you. It's Merry Christmas, brother. Thanks for always supporting Alien Base. Yeah, no problem. I like Alien Base. I appreciate the 10. Appreciate the support, the words, and the 10. Joel for the win. The one with blue helmet, it's pumped a lot, but this is just the beginning in my opinion. Alright, my question is, how do you buy base coins? I can easily buy Solana coins. On my Phantom wallet. You just put Solana in and out. You can trade in and out. There's nothing. There's nothing. You just buy whatever Solana coin you want. So what wallet what do you use to buy base coins? One with the blue helmet, he says base turbo. All right. Base turbo. Alright, deck screener, base turbo. I guess this one with the blue helmet. That doesn't look like a helmet. That looks like a helmet. Oh, it's a CTO. Is this the right one? 79k market cap. we have a winner. 14.5 thousand holders. Alright, let me just double check. Is that the right one? Wow, we only got 10 people still in here. Yeah, I want to make sure I look at the right one. Just tell me if that's the right one. We got 49 votes. 67% of you guys say you're loading your bags. 33% are bearish. They're not loading up. Alright, I'm just gonna go do it. Base turbo. Alright. Yeah, it's got a low market cap. It looks like it's putting in the bottom. Yeah. All the way on the 4-hour candles. This one just spawned in. Just spawned in to the crypto scam universe. Just don't let it go up until tomorrow. Some point. I don't get paid till tomorrow. Yeah, if we pull this up to the wick, you can clearly see the bottom is being put in besides that one wick there. So let me leave this here just because it looks better. So this thing bullish over 3021, or no, bottom is in over 21, bullish over 34. And it's a CTO, so that's also bullish. So if it holds up here, so it looks like the price to hold is what, 4077. Let me zoom this in. $40759. Well, not being too technical about it, but yeah, this one doesn't look bad. Not bad at all for a good gamble play. It's brand new, low market cap to a new high. This one's a 44.5x. Dang. Yeah, someone's gonna tell me, how do you buy these? Yeah, if I could just put $100 on there, that'd be $4 grand. Get me back in the game. And if we pull this down to this wick, that takes you up to 203, if that's going to be it. 46, 47x on this thing. Oh, what did I do? There, did I fix it? I think I screwed it up. I think I fixed it. see. I don't know what I did. Alright, I can't tell if this is fixed or not. Okay, I think we're good now. I hit the wrong button and screwed the whole stream up. Let me go see what it looks like. Let's see. Wow, so far behind. The delay is ridiculous. Man, so bearish here. And try to make this to where we can see everything we need to see. I guess it's good enough. Let's see. What did he say? Coinbase wallet just added ETH to it for base coins. What's up, Dave? Yeah, we've looked at ABT a couple of times, but we'll go back to it. Sam, Coinbase, well, yeah, I just read that. What's up, Sam? So you have to use gas fees, Ethereum gas fees, to buy base coins? Is that what you're saying? Through Coinbase wallet? But yeah, ABT, we'll go look at it again. I'm bullish on ABT here. It's holding up very strongly, and it's still holding in the pattern. It's still holding the pattern, the overall bottom formation that we saw on everything at the bottom, some things on the top. Hasn't broke out yet. It's still curled up. And it's also, I mean, this whole formation is just simply a very bullish ascending triangle reversal pattern. The fact that you're holding the uptrend, very bullish. But ABT, let me draw a couple of things on here. Your older, dang it, if I can pull it up, come on. But as long as you're holding structure, you're good. You're dipping back down below the 382, but ultimately the price to hold off of these wicks is the 382, 165, 150. But as soon as you get back over the 1272, you're good. I believe we went over this earlier, and I believe that is a 382, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, 2272 into 382. Get back over this 178, then you're bullish and you're good. But the main thing we're watching is this formation. As long as you don't break down lower than you need to be. Well, let's see here. Yeah, I mean, overall it looks good. I don't know why I got two of those out. They not showing updated chart. You buy Ethereum on base first, then swap for any coins on base. Okay. I suggested your channel to someone looking for TA videos. What's up, Start Time? Start Time 99. How's it going? I appreciate that if you did. Yeah, we're over an hour in. There's no one here. I appreciate the couple of super chats that came in. There's a good chance I may stream tonight. I gotta go fix what I messed up here. If I can remember how to do it. But yeah, this turbo one doesn't look bad. Alright, we'll leave it at that for now. I'll probably jump back on later for another stream. Get some more people on late. Yeah, I'm gonna go look into it, Matthew. Because I get my check this weekend and I gotta get in on something. I need to go learn how to use the base ecosystem and base coins and all that. Because like I said, Solana's super easy to use. That's how I lost all my money so fast. Too easy to gamble. Too easy to lose your money. Alright, I appreciate you guys being in here. I will try my best to stream this evening and see what the markets have in store for us. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. I'll leave you guys here staring at Bitcoin for a moment. Watching it go to zero. For the delay, and I will see you guys hopefully later on. Peace out, everyone.